And we're top of here in the mountain. Wow, here is it. What is that? So come to think of it, wow, the scenery is outstanding. Wow, gosh, very beautiful. Wow, indoors. So okay, let's proceed to the top. No, it's not the top, the second top. Okay, so I'll continue having some videos here. Ayan, dyan po. And then there's the Kubo here where everybody's going to stop and take a look all around and then have a shot or two or three. Yeah, everything. Ooh. And I am not in the video but I'm here doing it. Ayan po. Uy, mayroong kasampa. Yan, good morning everybody. Yeah, hello, hello, hello. Ayan pong overlooking. Oh, pinapawisan ako. It's under the sun but it's very beautiful.
Lola, baka, ay tito, baka mahulog mo yung ano.
Yan. So dito, the place is the will speak Ilocano, Kanakanaoy, and everything goes in between. Ay, akit ako doon. Ayun.